Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
Hey guys, here are all of the Valentine's Day pieces that I'm using in today's video to decorate the kitchen. I didn't grab a lot, but I did grab a few things, so I just wanted to share it with you. The first thing I wanted to show you is this little faux stack of books from Dollar Tree. I thought that was so cute. And then we're doing lots of baking and stuff that we didn't get to do in December because life just got so crazy. So I wanted to pick up lots of Valentine's Day stuff for that. My mom gifted me this beautiful little cake stand. This is from Macy's, I think she said. She got this for my birthday. It was on January 14th. I love it. I'm so excited to use that. And then my sister was at Home Goods and she just picked up so much cute stuff. We were FaceTiming. She's like, what do you want? I loved this little cake stand. I might even do like a little cheese tray or something on it. And then we needed a new bowl for baking. I picked these conversation hearts up from Target. I was hoping they would fit in this little candy dispenser from Dollar Tree, but I can see that the opening in the holes is just too small. So this is gonna have to go in something else. And then I grabbed some new ribbon for our weekly dinner menu that hangs on the side of our refrigerator. I like to switch that out each week. So, I mean, not each week. I'm sorry, what am I saying? I like to switch it out each season. So right now I have like my Christmas ribbon up, and so I thought that would be really pretty for Valentine's Day. This is actually Christmas towels, but because it matched the ribbon so well, I figured we could incorporate it with our Home Goods new Valentine's Day kitchen towels. And then a future video, I want to do the guest bathroom. So I thought these were really, really beautiful. And I love like the crystals on it. And then I grabbed a new waffle maker because the girls love a waffle first thing in the morning. And I just grabbed some more Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. And a couple of super cute Valentine's Day mugs. I thought that was so cute, and I love this one. I have another one in the dishwasher that I've been enjoying. And then last year I used my faux roses and candles I didn't get to finish burning. And then my husband just bought me these beautiful flowers for my birthday, so we will incorporate that into the decor. And that is it, guys. Just a few little touches, nothing major, but I'm so excited to show you guys how we're gonna style it. I hand washed a few dishes after dinner, so we are just going to put these things back, and then we are going to start wiping everything down and cleaning the kitchen.
I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching us.
Okay, the next thing I want to clean is this chandelier and this window before I start decorating. I don't know if you can see, I just cleaned this one the other day. You can see how sparkly and pretty it is. This one, let me show you up close, is like really gross. So I just want to clean this one quickly, and this window. We had like a crazy winter storm. See all the water splatters from the dishes. So I just want to get that taken care of, and the chandelier, get everything all fresh and clean, and then finish decorating. For my chandelier, I used some alcohol and microfiber cloth, and for my windows, I'm using my spray away and another microfiber cloth. Whenever I'm cleaning, I like to start from the top and work my way down, so now I'm just going to use that same spray away and wipe down my appliances.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you.
I did like using this spray away on my appliances. It made everything nice and shiny, and it did seem to remove a lot of the fingerprints that were stuck on. Next, I'm going to wipe down my Backsplash with the Mrs. Meyer's Rose Spray, you guys. It smells so good. Then I'm going to get my cake stand out of the box and get it set up on the counter.
Time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel.
At Christmas, I added a couple more cutting boards to my collection, so I actually had already wiped down this Backsplash last week, but I do want to go through and just touch it up because we have done some cooking and baking in here, and then we are going to wipe down the cabinets.
Staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone you can.
After I was done wiping down the cabinets, I ran to the basement and grabbed this box from last year, all of my old Valentine's Day signs, and we're going to add this into the decor. The sign that I am adding in is from Dollar Tree. The heart my mom made me a few years back. I love that one. The XOXO is from Dollar Tree as well, and the floral arrangement is from the At Home store. This white vase and pink floral arrangement is from the At Home store, along with the green floral arrangement, and this sign is from Aldi. At Christmas, I did something similar in this corner using obviously a lot of Christmas decor. I really loved how functional it was, and I felt like because of the little spatulas and all the cute stuff, it definitely made cooking more fun and just so easy within reach. So I wanted to create the same idea but for Valentine's Day.
No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright.
These cookie cutters are so cute, but they didn't look right sitting on the counter, so I tossed them in the bowl. I also added this love sign, and originally I take a step back and I look at it and I'm like, no, I don't like it, so I remove it. And now that I'm editing this, I kind of like it. So let me know in the comments down below, do we like the sign in the bowl or should I leave it out? I also loved at Christmas how this little area had twinkle lights, so we're adding those back in. It has been so cold here with the wind chill. It has been like under 10 degrees, so we are definitely still in our cozy vibes. But let me know, what is the weather like where you are?
You wanna do, I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you.
So this is the ribbon I was talking about in the haul portion at the beginning of the video. You see how it has the Christmas ribbon and this holds up our menu. So I am just going to take that down and replace it with the new ribbon, and we will be ready to decorate our coffee bar.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, all that we have is each other now.
I just love that little menu. It is so cute, but now we are going to wipe everything down, get it all fresh and clean, and just add in a few little touches to complete this area.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by.
That is it this year. Kept it super simple on the tiered tray. Super functional with my coffee mugs. Then I'm gonna add in this really cute glass jar so I can steam my milk for my espressos. We are gonna wipe down the countertops, and then I will give you a tour of the kitchen.
You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall, or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by.
Okay, that wraps up the kitchen. I'm obsessed with the way it turned out this year. So pretty. If you loved it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would also love for you to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.